Welcome to this video from Edge Technologies, partnering with BlackBerry. Edge and BlackBerry combined offer unique value to customers, both existing and new. By leveraging data and information from multiple pieces of the BlackBerry solution stack and merging that data with other tools outside the stack, Edge is able to partner with BlackBerry to bring new functionality. Users may be looking at various different assets, groups, locations, or even individual people that they need to understand the current status of. It could be an outage situation, a maintenance window, or even a crisis situation. We have the ability to bring in maps and put live indicators for real-time information with contextual drill down to a variety of different sources. This may be from within the solution stack of BlackBerry or external tools. In this example, we are merging data sets from both the ad hoc solution stack as well as Active Directory, LDAP, and location information pulled from the ad hoc client to create a new visualization combining information from all of those different data sources. In this example, we can simply click to a full screen view of the same org chart and then navigate back to the solution page. Here, we can see metrics that are pulling directly from Cylance, but rather than looking at only Cylance events, we can automatically sign on to Splunk, a third-party solution, and pass it the contextual cues of whatever we were clicking on to focus upon. This is a truly seamless integration, allowing us to get instant value across both the BlackBerry stack as well as other cybersecurity tools. However, it's important that we don't lose the investment in Cylance. By keeping the contextual tokens and passing those down into Cylance, we can use the existing UI of Cylance within the overall BlackBerry solution. All of the menus, features, functions that were created in Cylance are still available using single sign-on and role-based access control, allowing BlackBerry to go to existing Cylance customers and again leverage that investment both in the solution and the knowledge that has accrued over time. Similarly, we can also leverage existing ad hoc deployments. In this example, the sign-on has been disabled, as this is important administration information. After signing on with the standard username and password, we can see again the complete ad hoc UI is exposed, yet controlled by principles of RBAC, role-based access control. Quickly navigating back to the security screen, we can see that we're able to pull in information from external sources, giving BlackBerry users the ability to leverage those external data sources, whether they be government posts, vulnerability posts, or just company posts about important events. In the same way that we can leverage the data being pulled from Cylance or ad hoc, we can also dive into external tools. Here, we've made a query into a service catalog, then referenced the ServiceNow CMDB, and finally looked at all of the dependencies to build a completely new visualization. This allows people to understand single points of failure as well as the real-time status. Using the same functionality, we can drill down into the ServiceNow platform, leveraging the investment that the customer has made in that ITSM tool. From here, we can also see a crisis situation. By invoking the principles of crisis event management and the extensive BlackBerry solution stack, we can pinpoint natural disasters and understand where in the world they are happening, if they were predictable or completely unexpected, and be able to drill down into the details of the alert. This geographical information can be positioned against alerts from the ad hoc solution, including mobile users on their smart devices. Here we can see events happening over time and how they're affected, whether those be coming directly from ad hoc users, weather bulletins from the National Weather Service, or other events, such as from a manager of managers or an AI ops solution. By combining all of this into a timeline, it's easy to see how a crisis can unfold. Looking at the org chart, the services view, the crisis event management system, and the security system allows solution users to truly cross boundaries. When we take the ability to leverage all of this information with internal and external tools, you've got a solution that every customer wants and no other vendor can beat. Thank you for watching this video from Edge Technologies.